Okay, let's look at the answers. Yeah, let's look at the answer. So number one, we said it's 10 to 5. Yeah? It's 10 to 5. 10 to 5. So what did we get for number 2? It's quarter to 7. It's quarter to 7. Quarter to 7. Correct, thank you. Number 3. What's the time? It's 25 to 2. Yeah, it's 25 to 2. Correct, thank you. Number 4. What's the time? It's 10 o'clock, yes. This is an easy one. Yeah? Correct, thank you, correct. Good. Number 5. What's the time? 5 to 5? No? 5 to 6, yes. Good. It's 5 to 6. Correct, yes. Thank you. It's right. Number 6. What's the time? Yes, it's 10 to 8. Because 8 is a vowel. Yeah. Good. Correct? Yeah? So number 7. What's the time? All together it's 20 to 4, yes, good. 20 to 4. Thank you. Correct? Good, thank you. The next one is quarter to 9. It's quarter to 9, yeah. Correct? Yeah, correct, good. Number 9. What's the time? Who said it was 10 to 2? Yeah. It's 10 to 3. It's 10 to 3. Yes. 10 to 3. Correct? Correct, yeah. Thank you. Okay, and this is the last one, number 10. What's the time? It's 25 to 12. Yeah, 25 to 12. Yes. Correct, good. Thank you very much. Thank you. Okay, good. So when we say it's 25 to 12, do we know day or night? Day or night? We don't know, yeah? We don't know. So what we normally do, we say it's in the morning or in the afternoon or in the evening, yeah. So if it's 2 o'clock, it's 2 o'clock in the morning. We know. We know. In the morning it's early, yeah? In Thai, T song. Yeah? So if it's 2 o'clock, it's 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Yeah. Another way is using AM PM. AM PM. But normally we don't say it's 2 o'clock AM. Yeah? We say it's 2 AM or it's 2 PM. And AM, it's a Latin, it's yeah, ante-meridiem or post-meridiem. And it means before noon or it means afternoon. So these are Latin words. But don't worry about, you don't need to remember. Just remember AM, PM. AM is before noon, PM is afternoon. Okay, so we've learnt about telling the time informally, yeah? It's informal. So now we want to learn how to tell the time formally, yeah? So this is formal, yeah? And it's called the 24-hour clock. The 24-hour clock. And it's an international standard. And it's easier to understand. If we learn this, it's easier to understand. And I think when Thailand in 2 years' time will join the ASEAN community, the ASEAN economic community, so you will be doing business with Vietnam, with Malaysia, Singapore. I think the international time standard will be the 24-hour clock. So this is important for your students when they leave school and get jobs. Yeah, they will be learning and using the 24-hour clock. Okay, so what is the 24-hour clock? Easy. There's 24 hours in one day. 24 hours in one day. So we have the hours of darkness. Hours of darkness, yeah? Darkness. And the hours of daylight. Daylight. So darkness and daylight. Opposite. Midnight? Midnight? Yeah? Midday. Yeah. What's another word for midday? What's another word for midday? Meaning the same. Noon, yeah, noon. Noon, midday. Okay, this is what the 24-hour clock looks like. We start 0000 hours. 0000 hours. 0000 hours. 0000 hours. Remember 100? So 0000 hours. Yeah. Then what's the next one? 100 hours. So we have not correct. Yes, yes. Yes, good. 10. Thank you. I am incorrect. You are correct. Okay. So after 1100 hours, what comes next? Yeah, noon. Yeah, 1200 hours. So after 1200 hours is 1200 hours. So we start here. Yeah, we start here. 100 hours. Yeah. Then 100 hours. 200 hours. 300 hours. 400 hours. 500 hours. 600 hours. Yeah. Normally here, daylight, darkness, change. It depends on the season. Yeah. Depends on the season. Lauteradu. Then we have 0600, 700, 800, 900, 1000, 1100, 1200 hours, midday or noon. Midday or noon. Then we start then with what comes after 1200 hours? 1300 hours. 14 hours. Incorrect. 1500 hours. 1600 hours. 1700 hours. 1800 hours. Yeah. So this could also be 2400 hours. Yeah. So 2400 hours and 0000 hours are the same. Yeah, they are the same time. They are the same time. Okay, so let's try this exercise. Number 1. What's the time? The first thing we think about, daylight or darkness? Daylight or darkness, okay. 2140. Yeah, 2140. 2140 hours. Yeah? 2140 hours. Okay, so again, in your groups, work together, work in pairs, or 3 here. Talk together. Please try these 9 times.